calls, right, the foundational layer and has to have significant compute to infer, right? The reason that it is so easy to use these days, right, is that we don't ask machines direct questions. We often, the machine has to infer to understand what it is that you said, and then to bring back what feels like a human response. And one of the questions that I have for you, Dinesh, is in the world of inference, can you give us, because, I will say that most of our listeners, that's a deep concept that I've often had to explain to people. But I would love to get your explanation and really diving deep into not just what is inference, but why is inference important in the compute layer and what is its impact through each layer of that layer cake?
Great question, Joanna. While the emphasis over the past um, decade and a half has been on training and coming up with the models that have culminated in the large language models, once the models have been trained, the use of the model for the purpose of answering queries for the purpose of doing a specific task is what we call inference. This is akin to a human being going through the 12 years of schooling, perhaps an undergrad degree, perhaps a master's degree after that, and a specialization in the form of PhD. And one can call all of that training, where the human being has learned specific things that can be then commercially deployed as in the services that they provide. The human being then, in line of deploying these services, operates on problems to come up with the right solutions, the right way using their training. And that one can call as inference. The human being is looking at the problem, going by the training and coming up with the right solution, and inferring as to what the right solution would be.